Now the On Your Side forecast with Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval.
Well, I said today would hit 80. I was concerned that cool air would come in before the warm air had a chance to warm us up, and that was certainly the case. In fact, so much so that it went down 4 degrees below that to 76, so I missed the 3-degree guarantee. Cloud cover this morning, keeping it on the cool side, never really getting that chance to warm up. But we were at 76, but boy, those temperatures have sure been dropping. The temperatures won't be dropping for the Boise State-Fresno State game in Fresno coming up. I put a Saturday in again. This is Friday. Let's put in here Friday at 6 o'clock. So Friday at 6 o'clock, mostly clear. It'll be sunny on Thursday. It'll be in the low 90s. On Friday, should be about 91. So I'm thinking right around 90 during tailgate time, near 90 at kickoff. And then as the game's in the third quarter, coming to the fourth quarter, still 81 degrees. So hot and then warm. The sun will go down about 45 to 50 minutes after the game starts. And so all in all, we're talking about some really nice weather. Your travel weather there. No problems with rain. Certainly not any snow with temperatures like this in any mountain peaks. So good weather for the game. And heading down there, if you're heading Thursday, even if you're heading down Friday, same story. Temperatures right now near 60. It's cooling down out there. A good breeze blowing, although the winds of the last hour have really settled down. They'll come back a bit during the day tomorrow, but already 46 in Stanley and 49 in McCall with some cloud cover and precipitation nearby. Freezing levels are dropping. We'll go down to 7,500 feet tonight. So we're talking about the possibility of some snow dusting some of the peaks above 7,500 to 8,000 feet, maybe Brundage Mountain. I don't know if there's enough moisture here for that, but it's not out of the question that that could happen. I want to show you what happened earlier today. A lot of energy with the moisture in eastern Idaho and a tornado moving right through here, crossing the corridor here of the interstate. We had a couple of reports here, and we're talking about reports of seeing that rope-like funnel. This is the official report that came in at 2:47 this afternoon. Debris being lifted into the skies in eastern Idaho. There was also a tornado warning in Cassia County, but that one had expired fairly quickly. That was in here just east of Burley and into the north and west, but that was just a strong storm. Didn't get a tornado out of that one. Right now, here's the moisture right behind. See this cloud cover here? A chance for a couple sprinkles coming through this evening, but the bottom line is cooler and eventually drier air will be moving in overnight as that cold front has swept on through with some windy conditions. Those winds are settling down now, and now it's just the cool air rushing on in behind this. We'll have that deep cobalt blue sky coming in for the day tomorrow. A few puffy clouds developing over the mountains, but the FUTURECAST shows that after midnight tonight, everything's pushing to the east. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some lingering snow flurries up around the Stanley Basin, not in the basin, but at the peaks likely. Although not out of the question there either. Not a lot of moisture with this, but there's cold enough air in the higher elevations. Even tomorrow afternoon, it shows the blue. The purple is mixed precipitation. Blue is snow. Green is rain. So in the central mountains, still that chance. But look at the sunshine building in during the day on Wednesday, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunshine with those showers popping up in the mountains, so maybe some snow pellets trying to come down at 8,000 feet as well. I want to show you the wind forecast now. This is important. A little breezy tomorrow, 3:30 in the afternoon. Strongest winds eastern Treasure Valley into the Magic Valley, but still a good breeze, but a refreshing autumn day with the leaves rustling during the day tomorrow. Calmest conditions in western parts of the valley. Breeziest towards Mountain Home with gusts of 25 to 30. Not out of the question in the afternoon. This is Wednesday. Push us ahead to Thursday. Notice the shading kind of disappears. Wind shift to the southeast coming in this way now, but fairly light. I think just an amazing day on Thursday, but because we're heating up so much for Friday, in order to heat things up, you have to bring the wind in out of the southeast. And this, while it will be warm on Friday in the afternoon, this shows some gusty southeast winds. So it'll be a chilly morning, even though the temperature is going up, and some strong southeast winds blowing during the day, which will settle down towards the late afternoon and evening hours with the breeze tomorrow and even windier on Friday. But Friday will be a warmer day. Confusing forecast because we have so much changing here. When you take a look at the numbers, computer charts saying only 64 tomorrow. I'm going to say 67, but you can see the pool of cool air right in here. Well, we get 80s and 90s well to the east, and then look at this warmth in San Francisco. This is Wednesday. On Thursday, we go from 72 to 81 in Portland, and that warmth is already spreading back in, which will spell again a beautiful day coming in. Let's take a look at that forecast. Drier weather comes in, and the Treasure Valley forecast for tomorrow. Breeze breezy and cooler, only in the 60s with bright sunshine. A beautiful day coming up. West Central Mountains, I didn't update that. I have to change that forecast there. It's going to be a little bit nicer than that. Sunshine and real chilly out there. Magic Valley temperatures in the 60s. Stanley down in the 30s tomorrow morning. I think everybody will see sunshine in the valleys, but the mountains will see a few clouds. Here's that extended forecast with the up and down temperatures. Down to 67 tomorrow. A perfect day on Thursday for many. 84, but very breezy, if not windy, on Friday. Cools back down with a cold front on Saturday. Back up to 78 on Monday. 65 on Tuesday. It's just one shot of cool air after another. This is what autumn-like weather is supposed to be, and autumn comes in this weekend. So
seesaw effect.
You got it.
It's the variety pack.
Yeah, it is.
All right, thanks, Scott. Coming up next, shocking results from a car safety survey. Are you doing all it takes to keep your kids safe in your car?